Hello, here's the Sewing Queen again. Today we're going to hem a pair of men's trousers. I want a invisible hem and an angle hem, so we're combining those both together. An angled invisible hem. First thing you're going to do is take your pants to the cutting board and cut off what is needed. So this pair of pants was too long, so we're going to hem it. It's a men's pair of slacks. What I've done is I've marked where the bottom of the hem should be and in the back. I want to angle hem this, making the front a little bit shorter than the back so that there is not as much wrinkle on the person and we're able to keep it long. So with this pin being where the bottom of the back is going to be, I'm going to put that on my line, grid line here, making it straight. This being the front of the pant, this being the back. Now holding the back in place, I'm going to bring the front forward a ½ inch. So now we're kind of at an angle, hence the reason they call it an angle hem, continental hem, or military hem. I want 1.5 inches of length to fold up for the hem, so from this pin I'm going to measure 1.5 inches with my ruler here, knowing that I'm going to cut this much off. You see where it's a small amount in the back but a larger amount in the front. Using my rotary cutter up next to the ruler, I cut that off, and the front I'm going to, where the crease line is, snip just ever so slightly. Where the side seams are, I'm going to pull apart a little bit, and the out seam, just pull those apart a little. It's at an angle. Let's go ahead and do it to this side now, lining up my pant with the grid, measuring down 1.5 inches and pulling out a little bit of the front, a ½ inch more than the back. And snip the front. Side seam, open it up a little. Out seam, open it up a little. Now we're going to take these pants to the serger and we're going to serge around, and as you're serging, keep this fabric taut so that you have a little bit of a gap right there, and there's our front gap. Once you've serged those edges, which I've done with this pair already, serging, you can't see where the gap is, but it's there because we need a little bit of easement for when we fold it upward. You will go ahead and pin all the way around like this, which is that much up on the inside. We'll take this now and press it flat. Now you're ready to take it to your invisible hem stitch to do the finish touch. Okay, so now we have cut our bottom off, serged it, and we're ready to do the hem from the invisible hem. I always like to start on my inseam, and I'm going to bring that in, and you just place that machine right on top of your serged edge. The top layer here will kind of pull that a little snug, and now we're going to go just kind of all the way around your hem. It's the same way you would do a regular hem, even though we're doing what we call an angle hem. person could do a hem by hand if they wish, but this machine sure saves a lot of time, and you can't see your stitches on the other side, making that an invisible hem. I'm going to pull that out, trim off my threads, and there's our visible hem. We'll press that and it'll be even better. The inside nice and clean.